Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Ledger Live, easy method. First, install Ledger Live and open the app on your computer. Connect your Ledger device with the USB cable, unlock it, and open the Ledger Live Manager. Follow prompts to install apps for your coins, then add accounts to view balances and send or receive crypto safely using the device for transaction approvals. In this video, I will show how to use Ledger Live, easy method. After installing, set up a strong password and enable optional security features within settings. Verify your Ledger device on first connection and never enter your recovery phrase into the computer. Use the manager to install only the apps you need, keeping firmware current to reduce risks and ensure compatibility with the latest coins and tokens. In this video, I will show how to use Ledger Live, easy method. To add accounts, choose a coin, follow prompts, and confirm the address on your Ledger device. For incoming funds, copy the address from Ledger Live and verify it on the device display. For outgoing transfers, create the transaction in the app and approve every detail on the hardware device to ensure your assets move only with your explicit consent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.